Good morning students, welcome back to the online class of Border Model School. This is your science class. As you know that we have already been doing the exercise, means the question answer from the chapter 1 food and feeding habits of animals. So today we will be doing the question answer also. So I think all of you have your book with you and your science copy. Okay, yes, so I think all of you are ready now for the class, and today we will be doing the long answer question, long answer questions, because we have already completed the short answer question, we have already completed in the previous class. So the chapter we will be doing now is chapter number 1, food and feeding habits of animals. Okay, so this is chapter number 1, food and feeding habits of food and feeding habits of animals. I think all of you have written the name of the chapter there. Okay, because the question answer part we will be doing only in the science copy, school science copy precisely. Okay, yes. So everybody, a very good morning. So we will start the class now. So everybody will write down the exercise. This is your exercise, page number. I am giving the page number also. Your page number today will be 10 from your science book. Chapter number 1, food and feeding habits of animals, exercise page number 10. Okay? Okay. So today we will be starting the long answer question. Only 2 questions were there. So we will complete today. First question, and all of you will write the question as well as the answer. First you write the question, then you will write the answer. So question number 1 from long answer question, what is a food chain? Give one example. Okay, what is a food chain? Give one example. So this is, we will write there, long answer question. Question number 1, what is a food chain? What is a food chain? Give one example. This is a question. Okay. Okay. I think all of you have written the question. Yes. Okay. Yes, everybody will write down in your science copy. Okay, let me tell you, those who are not able to view the board, see the board, you cut your call and rejoin again, so you can see the board properly. Okay, so I will write the answer. What is a food chain? Give one example. All of you will be writing the answer now. A chain, answer, a chain that shows, a chain that shows how plants are eaten by a chain that shows how plants are eaten by animals and then animals are eaten by other animals is called food chain. You will underline food chain here. Okay, so the answer is a chain that shows how plants are eaten by animals and then animals are eaten by other animals is called food chain. This is your answer. Another is there, another part, give one example. So you will write the examples here. Example, you write grains you are getting from plants. So I write here from plants. This is eaten by rat. Rat is eaten by snake. Snake is eaten by eagle. So I will repeat once again. Example, grains. This we are getting from plants because we know that all the time, always food chain begins with the producer. So who is the producer here? The plants, the green plants are the producer. So food chain always starts with plants. So grains we are getting from plants. This is eaten by rat, rat is eaten by snake, snake is eaten by eagle. Another example I can tell you, you can write also. Suppose grass, you are eating grass, grass is eaten by cow or deer. You can write grass is eaten by deer, deer is eaten by the tiger. This also will be, you can also be giving this answer also, example. So I will repeat once again, all of you will be writing the answer because we will write the second question. Okay, second answer we will be writing question as well as the answer. So we are doing the long answer question from the exercise of chapter 1, food and feeding habits of animals. So number 1, what is a food chain? Give one example. A chain that shows how plants are eaten by animals and then animals are eaten by other animals is called food chain. So a chain that shows how plants are eaten by animals and then animals are eaten by other animals is called food chain. Example I have given, grains we are getting from plants. This is eaten by rat, rat is eaten by snake and snake is eaten by eagle. I think all of you have completed that one. Okay. Those who have not yet completed, please complete quickly. I am just waiting for you to write because we have left only question number 2, the last question from the exercise of chapter 1. Okay, we will do that one. So we will complete the chapter today. All of you write quickly, those who are writing. Pretushna. Okay. Those who have completed, you write the second question. Okay. So I am erasing this one. Erasing question number 1. What is the question? Okay, the question is, what are card chewing animals? Okay, what are card chewing animals? Give two examples. Question number 2. What are card chewing animals? What are card chewing animals? Give two examples. Give two examples. Okay. So I will wrap the answer of one. I think all of you have completed. Okay. So let us write the second answer. Your question is, what are card chewing animals? Give two examples. Answer: herbivores eat grass and leaves. Herbivores eat grass and leaves. Okay. Some of them at first eat their food and swallow them. So herbivores eat grass and leaves. Some of them at first eat their food and swallow them. After some time, when they rest, they bring their food back into their mouth and chew it for hours. Chew it for hours. This is called chewing the card, and the animals and the animals are called card chewing animals. And the animals are called card chewing animals. Okay. So now you have to give two examples. I'll write here. Examples: cow and goat. Cow and goat. Okay. So I will repeat the answer. I have completed the answer. You can write other examples also. You can write cow and buffalo. You can write sheep and goat. You can write sheep and giraffe. Okay. So I will repeat the answer. See here, what are card chewing animals? Give two examples. Herbivores eat grass and leaves. This is full stop. Some of them at first eat their food and swallow them. After some time, when they rest, they bring their food back into their mouth and chew it for hours. This is called chewing the cud, and the animals are called cud chewing animals. Okay? The process is called chewing the cud or rumination. It is also called rumination, R-U-M-I-N-A-T-I-O-N, rumination or chewing the cud, and the animals are called cud chewing animals. Examples: cow and goat. Okay. I think all of you have got the answer. Yes. So that's all for today's class. Today we have done the long answer question. We have solved question number 1 as well as question number 2. I will repeat the answer once again from long answer question, question number 1 and 2. I will repeat it. See, what is food chain? Give one example. We have written that a chain that shows how plants are eaten by animals and then animals are eaten by other animals is called food chain. Example: grains from plants. This is eaten by rat. Rat is eaten by snake. Snake is eaten by eagle. Okay. Then question number 2 from long answer question of chapter 1. Question 2: what are card chewing animals? Give 2 examples. What are card chewing animals? Herbivores eat grass and leaves. Some of them at first eat their food and swallow them. After some time, when they rest, they bring their food back into their mouth and chew it for hours. This is called chewing the cud, and the animals are called cud chewing animals. Examples: cow and goat. Okay. Okay. So thank you everyone for the class. See you again in the next day. We will be doing some new chapter. We will be starting or we will revise from this chapter. So till then, thank you everyone and bye everyone.